What's up, guys? It's your boy, back at you with another video. You get me in the crack den of a kitchen. I like starting the video here so you guys can see what going on, man. I ain't got no fucking ceiling, bro. So, when I'm out here and I've made some fucking money, you know what I mean? I know what I'm leaving behind, fam. Look at that shit. Yeah, man. We had a leak, by the way, guys. It wasn't always like that. Yeah, man. Just let me turn this light on. We literally just had a spontaneous leak one night. Like, I swear to God, I woke up freezing cold in my underwear and that. And it sounded like the shower was on. I'm struggling up the stairs right now, guys, because, ow. For those of you who don't know, if you watched the last video, I ran home from work and now I can't get up any stairs. Get me? It's been a long time since I've done any exercise like that. Let's kick this door open to the eBay room. There's two reasons why I'm filming today. Well, three. One, because I said I'd film daily. Two, because I got a little dilemma. Let's shut this door so I don't wake the kids up. And three, I got this printer. I said I ordered a printer off some small eBayer. And I was worried because like he hadn't shipped it out yet, but he shipped it out the day before I was about to cancel. So he left it to last minute. But basically, I got a brand new printer. It's a white one. I can't even see a picture. Oh yeah, it's a small picture on here. It's this white Canon printer. Now, I've had this same printer over and over again in black, basically. It lasts about 3 to 6 months before it's dead. They just die. And sometimes you can fix the error watching a few YouTube videos, and then sometimes they're just done. My last one lasted quite a while, actually. Probably, we might have got a year out of the last one, you get me? But you have to replace these things often. My advice would be just to get a really good printer, but we can never afford it. We'll never seem to be in a position to get a worthwhile printer, so... hang on. We never seem to be in a position to get a worthwhile printer, so we just got this cheap one. Anyway, it was really cheap. $13.99. There must have been shipping. I can't remember exactly if there was shipping or not, but I paid $13.99 for it. I'm assuming with some shipping, you get me. So it was really cheap. So I'm hoping to God it works. I think it was like open because he had the printer out in a listing. You get me? You know, like one of them really bad listings on eBay. It was a really bad listing, basically. But sometimes you just gotta take a risk. You know what I mean? So I've got to open this printer now. It's not even going in here, actually. I got my PC set up in my bedroom because I've been doing gaming videos. And it's cold as shit in this room. You get me? And I can't afford to heat this room, you get me? So I have to put it upstairs. So I'm going to set this up upstairs anyway. Also, guys, the dilemma is... well, let me cut this open before we start talking negative. You know what I mean? I'll just quickly pause this video. Alright, so... this is not the recommended method of opening a box for any kids that be, well, this channel's no kids allowed in this channel anyway, you get me? Too much swearing. So chop. Right, we got it open. Let's see what this guy, if it's done us a dirty or not. You get me? Said it's brand new, it's got the power cord. I've got a million of those power cords anyway. So it seems to be. I'll get it out now. Alright, so I got it out of the box. It seems to be brand new. Not gonna lie. I have to plug it in, and I got some ink. I don't think it came with any ink, but I've got some anyway. I bought some. The ink came like the next day. So yeah. I think it was getting cheap as well. I think this is like snapped off or something, but I don't care about that. Just print the paper in it. Yeah, so we got that printer, guys. So that's gonna help, like, not having to go to the shop and print out the every labels. Like, I hate doing that because it takes long, and so when I've got like 10 parcels or something, sometimes a bit more, it's embarrassing, you know, in the shop. Like, bent over, like they have no table or anything to like do the labels and that, so just crouched over in some shop in front of strangers, like doing parcels. It'd be alright if like, well, it wouldn't be. It's just embarrassing. Even if like I was about to say, if like I was rich and doing parcels in the shop, maybe it wouldn't be embarrassing, but it would. Yeah, me. Like, cause I'd have to. It's just embarrassing because I'm out here broke, wrapping parcels in the shop like some dickhead. Yeah, me. Like I was gonna say maybe if I was rich, it wouldn't be so embarrassing. But if I was rich, I'd have a printer. So it's one of them things. You get me. All right, guys. So it's the dilemma. Yeah. Like I have a couple options. If like I have any hiccups along this journey, I either go ghost, which I don't want to do this time. I just want to keep going because I don't like any hiccups. I'm just gonna fix immediately. You get me, and get right back on track. And basically, I'm gonna preserve this eBay like my life depends on it. And also, guys, I don't know if I've done a video since this actually. I don't know if I spoke about this in the video before we talk about this, guys. I registered my company. I registered this in here as a business. I'm a legitimate business now. So, I'm not sure if I talked about that in a previous video. I'm not sure if I recorded a previous video because I'm like a couple videos behind, I'll be honest with you guys. So this is a registered business now, and I had to do that basically to help preserve this because the job centre, basically, like the people, the government, yeah, in England, like when you're broke and when you have no other choice because you're not financially stable, they give you pennies in it. They help us. They give us extra money. In America, they have similar things, so we get extra money off the government. And when you start earning too much, they stop giving you money. It's that simple. And because I registered as self-employed this time last year, or like maybe about a year ago, I don't know, 6 months ago, I registered self-employed, and the problem is now, like, everything that I earn on eBay is classed as my earnings, yeah? But it's not necessarily my earnings because I'm building a business, and, like, I need to preserve this money. I can't be, like, paying my bills out of it. So, I registered as a business, and I'm going to employ my partner, I've, like, sent off all the applications to, like, Payee and shit so you can get, like, a fucking employee and that. I'm going to hire my partner and basically keep the job centre at bay, preserve this money and not spend it at all. I'm going to allow it to build and then eventually pay me a wage, pay my partner a wage. And that's that. Job done. Sounds simple, but it's going to be a struggle. You get me? So that's the situation I'm in right now, guys. Also, the big dilemma is I didn't go into work this morning, you get me? I was going to go in late because, like, I just couldn't be arsed, to be honest with you guys. I just couldn't be arsed. And, like, I'm on, like, week 7. 7 weeks, I think, I've had this job. So, not even 2 months, guys. And, like, I've had, like, half a shift off because I had to come home and sort something in that 7 weeks. And, I didn't go in this morning. And basically, I was about to go in like 2 hours late, you get me, with some bullshit excuse. And then like the guy texts me back saying like, oh, you're not needed today, it's quiet. And it has been quiet. Basically, they don't even need me in these jobs. Half these jobs are good. Just be sat there doing nothing. You pay me to do nothing anyway. Like, well, since Christmas, I haven't done anything, you get me, so. And I was saying to my partner, I'm a bit worried that they're just going to fuck me off anyway, because this is a repeated pattern. I get a job, I stay there for like 2 months, and then the job just ends. I swear down, like the amount of jobs I've had, and I commit, and their job just ends, and it's like they're just one day they ain't got a job for me, like, and it's like proper snaky with this agency shit. And if it's not that, I fuck it for myself. You get me? Like I have literally a timer of about 3 to 6 months. Either the job like ends because the agency's lied to me, or I expire myself because I struggle at that shit. I really do. Now, the key is I just need to keep in work. If they snake me, or like if I fucked myself this time, and like I've got work tomorrow, if they say the same thing tomorrow, I'm looking for work today. I'm looking for a job from today. So other than that, guys, fuck it. Yeah, me. Onwards and upwards. Like, I have £175 in the eBay account right now. I've got more money pending. Yeah, me. I'll probably be at 300 by like. Well, I was supposed to be at 300 now, but like, there's There's money pending in it. That's all I'll say about that. So once that money comes, hopefully a bit of free bills. The goal is I just need to look for work from today. I need to not allow there to be any more than like a week without work. You get me? And if there is, then I'm gonna go into hella preservation mode. You get me? So that this eBay is protected until I start getting income again. I can't go more than a week without like employment, basically. So that's scary in itself. At least until I can get this eBay off the ground, because it's happening again, guys. Like, this is what happens. I get to some money, and if I can get to £300, I can get to £3,000. You get me? It's the same thing. You know what I mean? I just sit and wait and sell shit. It's easy. But like, can I make the job last long enough? I'm doing my utmost best, guys. You get me? Swear down. But like, I have a lapse of judgment sometimes. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's how it goes, innit? You do all this time, or I'll do all this time, and have 1 or 2 lapse of judgments, and that's it. You know what I mean? But other than that, guys, I'm pretty determined. You know what I mean? Like, I'm never late. I've literally been late once in this job by like 5 minutes. You know what I mean? So, and that was just because I was getting the bus to work for the first time around this area. I'm not in Brumtown no more, guys, first of all. I'm on the outskirts, you know what I mean? And I don't know where buses are be in this place, or where the buses be in this place, you get me? So, other than that, guys, that's my life at the minute. So I've got to make this work, you know what I mean? I just wanted to tune in because I got this printer. I'm going to go test it. Print out. I've got some labels to do today. I've got like... Basically, I haven't shipped anything for like the last 2 days because everything's on 3-day shipping now. And if like there's a gap, you know what I mean, where I don't sell anything for a day or 2, then like that basically gives me a couple of days off, because 3 days adds up. I'm trying to actually, I ship some early. I'm not leaving them all till the actual shipping date, because sometimes it's just like I get them out early, especially right now because I'm trying to get my seller rating up. You get me? My seller rating is literally reflecting my life right now. Below standard, you know what I mean? So, as soon as my seller rating comes up, my life's going to improve. You know what I mean? So, that's that, guys. Like, this is the struggle when you've got no discipline, I guess. I don't know what else to say, because it's not that difficult. What we're trying to do here, reselling, is it? It's difficult when you have no discipline. So, don't do what I do, guys. You get me? Get your ass some discipline. Do it now. Right, I'm out now anyway, because I've got to go apply for some jobs. And I've got to get some shit wrapped up and test this printer and that, you get me? Alright, I'll see you on the next one. You get me? We out.